Mama, this shop looks so big.
Yes, dear, it is a supermarket. You can find many things here.
Mama, do we need a basket or a trolley?
Good question. If we buy only a few items, we will take a basket. But today, we need many things. So let's take a trolley.
Oh, I like the trolley. Can I push it?
Yes, but be careful. The trolley is big and there are many people around.
Don't worry, Mama. I will push it slowly.
Good girl. First, let's make a list. Do you remember what we need?
Fruits, milk, and some snacks.
Very good. We also need rice and bread.
Okay, Mama. I will help you find everything.
Thank you, my little helper. Now let's start shopping. Ria, look, this is the fruits section. Do you see the apples?
Yes, Mama. They look so red and shiny. Can I pick some?
Of course, but first, check if they are fresh. Do you know how to check?
Maybe by touching?
Yes, you touch gently. If it is hard and smooth, it is fresh. If it is too soft, it may be bad.
Okay, Mama. This one feels good. Should I put it in the bag?
Yes, put 5 apples in the bag.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done.
Good girl. Now, what other fruit do we need?
Bananas. I love bananas.
Me too. Bananas give us energy. Let's take one bunch.
Mama, look. These bananas are green. Should we take yellow ones?
Very smart, dear. Yellow bananas are ready to eat. Green ones are not ripe yet.
Then I will choose the yellow ones. They look yummy.
Okay, put them gently in the trolley.
Mama, can we also buy oranges?
Yes, oranges are healthy. They have vitamin C, which helps us stay strong.
Yay! I will pick some oranges too.
Careful, Ria, don't take too many. Just 6 oranges are enough.
Okay, Mama, I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done.
Excellent! You are learning so fast. You are my best helper today.
Thank you, Mama. I love shopping with you.
Ria, now we need to buy milk. Do you see the fridge over there?
Yes, Mama. It looks so cold inside.
That's right. Milk must always be kept in the fridge. Can you find the milk packets?
Here they are. But there are so many. Which one should we take?
Good question. We always buy the blue packet. It is fresh and good for us.
Okay, Mama. I will take 2 packets. 1, 2. Done.
Excellent. Now put them carefully in the trolley.
Yes, Mama. The packets feel very cold.
That's because milk must stay chilled. Now let's buy bread. Do you see the bakery shelf?
Yes, Mama. Oh, wow. So many breads.
Yes, they have white bread, brown bread, and buns. Which one do you like?
I like brown bread. It tastes nice with butter.
Good choice. Brown bread is also healthy. Let's take 1 packet.
Okay, Mama. Can I also take some buns? They look soft.
Only 1 small packet? Remember, we should not waste food.
Don't worry, Mama. I will eat them all.
I know you will. Now put them in the trolley.
Done, Mama. Our trolley is getting full.
Yes, dear. You are helping me a lot today.
Mama, our trolley is full now.
Yes, Ria. We bought fruits, milk, bread, and snacks. Now it's time to pay at the cash counter.
Mama, look. There are so many people standing in line.
That's right. We must wait for our turn.
I don't like waiting. It feels so long.
Waiting teaches us patience, dear. Let's stand quietly.
Okay, Mama. Oh, I see chocolates near the counter. Can I take one?
Chocolates are tasty, but not very healthy. We will buy only one small bar.
Yay! Thank you, Mama. I promise I will brush my teeth after eating.
Good girl, always take care of your teeth. Now put the items on the counter one by one.
Apples, bananas, milk packets, bread, done.
Excellent. You are helping me a lot.
Mama, the cashier is scanning everything with a machine. Beep, beep. It sounds funny.
Yes, that machine reads the price of each item.
Oh, so the cashier doesn't need to count by hand?
Exactly. The computer shows the total amount, then we pay and take the bill.
That's smart. I like this beep beep machine.
Me too, dear. Now get ready. Our turn is next.
Mama, we finished shopping. Our bags are so full.
Yes, dear. You helped me a lot today. Thank you.
Mama, can I carry one bag?
The bags are heavy, but you can't carry the bread. It is light.
Yay! I am strong enough for bread.
Yes, you are, but don't try to lift the heavy bags. Mama will carry them.
Okay, Mama. Can we go home by auto today?
No, we came by our car. It's parked outside. Let's put the bags in the car.
Mama, wait. I want to count the bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. We bought so much.
Yes, we bought enough for the whole week.
Mama, when we reach home, can I eat one banana?
Of course, fresh fruits are healthy, but first, we must put everything in the kitchen.
Okay, Mama. I will help you arrange the fruits.
That's my girl. You are learning to be responsible.
Mama, today I learned so many things in the supermarket.
Really? Tell me what you learned.
I learned how to check apples, how to choose bananas, and how the beep beep machine works at the counter.
Wonderful. You are very smart, Riyadh. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mama. Shopping with you is always fun.
And it is fun for me too, dear. Now let's go home. Today we went shopping together and practiced simple English sentences. I hope you enjoyed learning with us. Practice these sentences in your daily life. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.